to Mahanadi Time Television. As you all know, today is 22nd January, the Pran Pratishtha of Lord Rama in Ayodhya at 12:34 hours. It is scheduled to be held by the Prime Ministers and Vishwa Hindu Parishad and others dignitaries and Sri Ram Janmabhoomi committees, and in the memory of that, in Sambalpur, Marwadi Yuva Manch and others voluntary organizations of Sambalpur, they have decided to light it 151,111 light in Sambalpur Marwadi Paraghat area, and on that app the lamp has been decorated. Now this has been displayed, and let us show you how they have displayed. From here you can see 1,51,000 means it is too much, and 5 lakhs deep will be lighted in Ayodhya. Let us show you. This has been given, and this task has been taken by Marwadi Yuva Manch, Sambalpur Wings. I am showing you all this. You see how decorate they have all this. Some groups have taken responsibilities of this. You see, so beautifully been decorated, and this is the middle side. You see everywhere they have decorated deep. You see, so beautifully been decorated, and when it will be lighted, it will be really looks very beautiful. All this side you see, so beautifully decorated. Now they are displaying the deep everywhere. I am showing you all. This is the path they have given for enlightening the light. So everywhere they have decorated. You can see this everywhere. It's really unique, and in this particular efforts, two things has been promoting simultaneously. The rituals will be observed, and the deep, those who are making this will also getting opportunities to develop their business. Very nicely they have decorated. You see everywhere they have decorated. You see, let me ask some people how they are doing all this. Hey, shut up. You see how they are doing all this. Some people are doing. Here you see. Now there are two devotees. They have displayed their lighted lamps here, and by evening they will lighted this. You see, the Jai Shri Ram has been also displayed here. So ma'am, you are welcome to Mahanadi Time Media Productions, Mahanadi Time Televisions. अब बताइए आज क्या चल रहा है आपका? आज हमारे यहाँ पे उत्सव मना रहे हैं। अयोध्या में राम जन्म का प्रतिष्ठा, प्राण प्रतिष्ठा कर रहे हैं, इसलिए हम लोग भी यहाँ पे। कितना दीप सजा जा रहा है? 1,11,111 दीप जला रहे हैं। यानी सब कोई मिल के कर रही है, लेकिन किसका आयोजन में हो रहा है ये? मारवाड़ी युवा मंच के। लेकिन बाकी सबको सम्मिलित किया है, यानी गुजराती कम्युनिटी, सिंधी कम्युनिटी सब कोई मिल के कर रहे हैं। तो मैडम ये कितना बजे इसमें ऑयल वगैरह ढालेंगे और इसको लगाएंगे, लाइटेड करेंगे? दीप सजा दिया जाएगा, उसके बाद फिर इसमें ऑयल डालेंगे, दीप सजाएंगे। तो 1,11,000 बोलो ना, 1,11,101। 1,11,101 क्यों? 111। हाँ, क्यों? सब एक का रखे हैं पूरा लाइन से। नहीं, 1,11,101 क्यों? 101 नहीं, 111 है। 111 क्यों? इतना ये यानी जो अल्फाबेटिकली है और इसका जो डिजिटली ये बिल्कुल सेटिंग हो गया है, क्यों? इतना क्यों? वो एक कुछ सोचा गया होगा यानी सर्व कल्याण के लिए, है ना? सर्व कल्याण के। अच्छा मैम, आप बताइए, आप भी पार्टिसिपेट किए हैं इसमें? जी हाँ। तो आपका दीप किधर है?
हम लोग ये जय माँ समलेश्वरी
आज 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 जय माँ समलेश्वरी जय श्री राम लिख रहे हैं
जय श्री
ना।
राम।
तो मैडम उसमें भी क्या दीप ऑयल वगैरह दे के जलेगा शाम को?
हाँ जी, शाम को प्रज्वलित
तो आप सब
करेंगे।
लोग आके पार्टिसिपेट करना चाहते हैं,
जरूर।
है ना? ओके।
हाँ।
और आपका जो नेबर्स जो हैं, आपका पड़ोसी हैं, सबको बोले हैं इसके
हाँ,
बारे में?
सब आ रहे हैं सब लोग।
You see, dear friends, these devotees, they have displaced all the deeps here, and they have also intimated their neighbors to come to this site and celebrate the Pran Pratishtha in Ayodhya. Okay, ma'am, thank you. Mr. Chetan Tibriwal here. He is the state vice president of Marwadi Yuva Manch. Sir, you are welcome to Mahanadi Time Television. बताइए, ये जो आज जो ये प्रोग्राम चल रहा है, ये आपका अयोध्या में प्राण प्रतिष्ठा के अवसर पर हो रहा है, आप लोग भी कर रहे हैं, तो इसका जो लक्ष्य क्या है? व्हाट इज द ऑब्जेक्टिव ऑफ दिस प्रोग्राम?
ऑब्जेक्टिव यही है कि भाई अयोध्या, अब हर कोई एक दिन पे एक जगह तो पहुंच नहीं सकता, तो हमको पूरे देश को अयोध्या बनाना है। कहीं भी लोगों को ये नहीं फील हो कि हम अयोध्या नहीं पहुंच पाए।
Well, one more thing, sir. Yeah, very nice. You are celebrating all over the countries, even in the other part of the world also. So, sir, the thing is that this is the programs organized by Marwadi Yuva Manch and any other organization also involved here, or it is exclusive program of Marwadi Yuva
It
Manch?
is a solely program of organized by Marwadi Yuva Manch, Khetrajpur.
But you are involving others also.
We are involved. It is open to all.
Yeah. So, how many light you are going to settle, sir, by evening?
We are going to light 1,11,111 deeps.
Yeah, and 1,11,101.
111.
111 deep will be enlightened by evening. By what hour, sir?
We will start by 4:30 to 5,
Yeah.
and the time it will take to burn.
Wow. What is the impression of the common man in your program?
Everybody are very delighted.
Yeah.
Everybody wants to contribute. Somebody is bringing diyas, somebody is helping in cleaning the ghat.
All work of people are
All works of the people are helping us.
even from all communities.
From all communities.
Well, sir, one more important question I would like to ask you, sir. What about the Muslim community? Are they come to you and they are celebrating?
We don't have any such approach till now.
Yeah. But
there is no objection also.
yeah. But if they come there, you are welcoming them.
Yes.
Okay, sir.
We are
Thank you
good.
very much by giving some time to Mahanadi Time Television. Thank you, sir. You see now the people are decorating the lights, candles here. The deep is, we may say, this is deep, and in the memory of this Pran Pratishtha of Lord Ram in Ayodhya, in Sambalpur, this mega program, the mega event going to be celebrated by evening today on behalf of Marwadi Yuva Manch. You see how they have decorated and displayed their deep. आपका नाम क्या है?
सांजल पंसारी।
अच्छा, आप ये क्यों कर रहे हो आज? किसके अवसर पर कर रहे हो?
राम भगवान के अवसर में।
राम भगवान क्या हुए थे आज?
अयोध्या में राम भगवान का प्राण प्रतिष्ठा है उसके लिए।
अच्छा, इसके लिए आप डिस्प्ले कर रहे हो? दीप लगाओगे? कितना बजे लगाओगे आप? शाम को कितना बजे लगाओगे?
1,11,111।
ठीक, कितना बजे? शाम को कितना बजे लगेगा?
5।
थैंक यू बेटा, थैंक यू। Here by the devotees and here too you see all are decorating here, displaying their deeps here, you see, and by evening this will be started. It's a really mega event organized by Marwadi Yuva Manch. Really great. हेलो मैडम, थोड़ा वेलकम मैम टू महानदी टाइम टेलीविजन। ये क्या किसके अवसर पर कर रही है?
ये आज राम जी का अवतरण हो रहा है हमारे अयोध्या में, उनका प्राण प्रतिष्ठा हो रहा है, इसलिए हम लोग यहाँ पे मारवाड़ी युवा मंच दफ्तर शाखा 1,11,111 दिया लगा रहे हैं। इसको हम लोग दीप उत्सव बोल रहे हैं।
So this is meant for only one community or all community of the society they are community?
For
All, na? So this has been organizing on behalf of Marwadi Yuva Manch or any other organization they have also involved here?
बहुत सारे ऑर्गेनाइजेशन जिन्होंने हेल्प किया है, ऐसा कोई पर्सनली नहीं है, पर
It's a common program, it's a public program, that means. By what time the deep will be lighted?
आई थिंक 5 बजे 4:30
5 बजे?
से स्टार्ट होगा।
कितना बजे? 5 या 5:30?
5 बजे से start।
5 बजे।
4:30 से पकड़ लीजिए।
अच्छा
यहाँ पहुँच
अच्छा who provided all this actually there are lot of deep you have celebrated display here. I think it is more than it is the cost will become around lakhs and lakhs, and who will provide it all this money, ma'am?
पूरे संबलपुर के देशवासियों ने ही किया है।
Oh yeah, so you are going to credit to the whole countrymen. Okay, thank you very much, and I do hope on behalf of Maritime Lab the objective will be fulfilled. Thank you very much. Jai Hind.